So hey everyone, welcome back once again. So today we are going to discuss about the 5 benefits of Honda Amaze. So let's begin the video right now. So before I start this video, if you want to watch this video in Hindi, the link would be in the description. So make sure to check that out if you want to watch in Hindi. So the first benefits of Honda Amaze is that safety. The Honda Amaze has scored 4 star in the global NCAP crash test. So this shows that the Honda Amaze is a very safe car. But you will get 2 airbags in the top end also. But the build quality is very strong and good. So there is no issues when if you face with any accident, you will be safe. Next benefit of the Amaze is the engine and the performance. From the previous generation to this generation, from BS4 to BS6, the Honda Zama engine has been more refined and smooth, but it produces the same power like the 89 bhp and 150 newton meters of torque. This engine was in the BS4 also and in the BS6 also, but the only difference is that the engine is more refined and more smooth when you will drive it, and it comes with a 5-speed manual transmission and a CVT options too. So if you want a automatic car, you can go for the CVT of the Honda Amaze. So the third benefit of the Honda Amaze is the fuel efficiency. In the petrol manual transmission, it gives a 19.5 kmpl, and in the petrol CVT option, it gives a 19 kmpl. In the diesel manual transmission, it gives a 27.5 kmpl, and in diesel CVT option, it gives a 23.5 kmpl. These all figures are claimed by the Honda company itself. But in the real life, the mileage will be always be in the less. It will not give the 23 kmpl in the petrol. It may give an 18 to 19 kmpl, but 23 it's not possible in the regular driving experience which we have in the city or in the highway. So the next point, it is the practicality. In terms of practicality, Honda Amaze has a good amount of storage spaces in the car. If you see the door side pockets, you can keep a 1 liter water bottle over there. In the central panel of the car, you can keep your phones and all. It also has a cup holders. In the boot of the car, it has a 420 liters of boot space. It's 20 liters more from the previous generation of the Honda Amaze. So in short, it's a very practical and a spacious car. If you don't have the driver's side armrest, that's a negative point. Is the Honda Amaze is a very spacious car, because in the rear seat cabin you have a good amount of knee room, leg room, and under thigh support also. The width of the car is pretty good, so tall height people can sit comfortably on the rear seat of the car. The next point, it is the reliability. Honda cars are reliable. If you see the Honda Amaze, Honda City, or the Honda Accord, those cars are really reliable cars. Honda cars are really reliable. It's been more than, I guess, 20 years that Honda is in India, and from the first car of the Honda is maybe it's the Honda City. You see the cars, they are really reliable cars. Now from first generation Honda City to the fifth generation Honda City has come, and any Honda car has ever given a disappointed to any one of his customers. So in short, Honda cars are really reliable, so you can totally trust the Honda Amaze in terms of reliability. It's the second generation of the Honda Amaze that is in India, so you can definitely believe on the Honda car's reliability. And also in the resale value, also Honda car's resale value is really good, like the Honda Amaze or the Honda City. The car's reliability is reliable, and the after sale services and the resale value is excellent. So this was the video. I hope you have liked the video. So press that like button, subscribe to our channel, and do follow us on our all social media handles. All the link in the description, and I will meet you soon on my next video.